With 33 million small businesses in the US and only 1.4 million accountants and auditors, it's no wonder why small business owners try to navigate their bookkeeping on their own. Although it's best to leave your accounting up to the experts, here's some best practice tips for those of you navigating your books on your own. Number 1. Separate your business expenses from your personal expenses. Even if your taxes are done by a professional, your expenses should be separated to ensure accurate reporting and ease of expense categorization. Bottom line, less errors will occur and less of a chance of an audit. Number 2. Utilize bookkeeping software. Even the pros use this software because it works. You can easily generate reports, upload your receipts, automatically add expenses to the ledger, pay bills with a click, and much more. Excel is still a great option if you're an Excel wizard, but the time it would take even an expert to build an adequate program to compare to something like QuickBooks is astronomical. Number 3. Reconcile your books often. Your decisions should come from the data you pull from your reports. Are you really seeing an adequate picture of your business financial health if your data is inaccurate? Make sure you're correctly categorizing your assets and expenses. When your accounts reconcile to $0 and your transactions are correctly categorized, then your reporting will be more accurate. Number 4. Become friends with your local accountant. Even if you don't pay them to handle your books day to day, it's nice to pay a small retainer fee for when you need their expertise or your accounts just aren't reconciling. An expert set of eyes couldn't hurt, and in fact, they could help you see the bigger picture and maybe offer some tax planning advice. Number 5. Make sure your chart of accounts matches your industry and business. If I just spoke a foreign language, revisit number 4 and hire that accountant full-time. Just kidding, but seriously, if you're still with me, your chart of accounts will list every transaction, hopefully correctly categorized, and can be utilized to make better data-driven decisions or to help accelerate doing your taxes. A robust chart of accounts is your best friend, and if you give that to your accountant at tax time, you might even get a discount because you just made their job a little easier. With the shortage of accountants and CPAs currently in the United States, it's important for small business owners to wear multiple hats and learn how to properly do their bookkeeping. Especially if you want to grow or ask for a bank loan. The first thing the lender will want to see is your profit and loss statement and will ask questions about your accounting system to ensure accuracy. If you ever decide that focusing on your business is your priority and you would rather leave the accounting to the experts, consider Lucy's Ledger's accounting firm, your accounting and tax experts.